All right, so yesterday I found 7 pieces of Lululemon in one bag. So now I am back on it, reinvigorated. Can't wait to open up some more bags. This bag weighs 5.5 pounds. Already I see something good, I think. These are a pair of Nike, I want to say Nike golf shoes, but they are in fantastic condition. I only found one. Oh, here's the other one. So they're a pair of Nikes, men's size 10. Nikes has a style number that you can look up. So that's what I'll do with these, try and find a stock photo. I'll try and get those listed right away. Although, I guess it's not golfing season. You never know. Okay. Some fleece pajamas. More fleece pajamas. Oh. These look pretty close to new. They're by Browns, which I know is a store in the mall. But they're some black velvet sandals with a gold chain. And there's the pair. Again, a summer item that might sit for a while, but fantastic condition. And these are some 9 West kitten heel style sandals. They look to be real leather. There's the pair. Yeah, leather upper. Size 10. So both of the women's were size 10, and then the men's was a size 10 as well. So except for the fleece pajamas, that was a pretty great bag. I mean, it's no Lululemon, but you gotta take what you get. All right, here goes another bag. It's already splitting open. So first thing I see is a little butterfly toy. I save all of those for my dog. I wash them. He gets a chew toy every 10 seconds pretty much now. He loves it. So these are starter shorts. Like red basketball. They're a large size, I can tell. Anyways, I'll look into them. Some mesh starter shorts. Oh, my God. There's French fries. Oh my God. That's disgusting. Also disgusting, the fact that I can tell that they're French fries. You want to see? I don't know how old this French fry is. There's one of them. God, that's awful. This had better be good. This says Toronto Grace Fashions, expressly made for the Toronto Transit Commission. So this must be a TTC trench coat. There's no labeling on it other than inside where it says TTC uniform issue. It says union made in China. Again, something I'll look at. I'm going to move the French fries directly into a trash bag. Okay. That better be the last French fries. Oh my God. These say Maurice Malone. Malone Sport, size 2XL. Brown sweatpants. Never heard of this brand before. I'll look into it another time. Some men's pants, or I guess these are women's because they're from Reitman's. Size 22 dress pants. I'll look at those. We have another toy for my Bubba. Peter Nygaard, size 20. Black dress pants. And a little kids item. And then these are just some 725 original sweatpants. So, just French fries. Like, that's all I can think of now. Like I just found French fries and that's gross. This is a 23-pound bag. Once this bag is sorted, it means I've gone through 1,500 pounds of my death pile. That's awesome. Already, I think I see a lot of kids' items, which I know I keep talking about going to Once Upon a Child. Eventually, I'm going to have to go. This is adorable. I can already see that it's a Chinese brand, but it's like McDonald's maybe? But then on the back it says Ari. But I think it's somebody eating chicken nuggets. And that's really cute. That's really cute. The same brand. I'll look at it later. Here we have a Montessori private school little V-neck sweater. This is by Gap, size small. Red crew neck sweater. This is an Old Navy, size extra small. Little girl's parka. I think it needs a good washing, but I don't see any rips or stains, so that's a great start. I don't know if this is real or not. I know nothing about Burberry. I've sold a couple Burberry Brit shirts. I'm leaning towards fake. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll have it authenticated. But it looks like it claims to be a Burberry green quilted jacket. It's a youth size 8 youth. It has Burberry on all of the buttons. Or it doesn't. On the zipper pulls, they just say Burr. There's no Y. And like the stitching did look a little off, and the plaid doesn't line up inside. So I'm pretty sure that's a inauthentic, fake Burberry. But it got my hopes up for a second. Tommy Hilfiger gray straight leg jeans. Again, Tommy Hilfiger Premium slim stretch size 28. Those look to be women's jeans. Okay. These are all new with tag, but they're Montessori school uniforms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 that are new. That one doesn't have new tags, nor does that one. I can see more though. Okay. So 4 that are new with tag, they are Montessori shirts. And then there's an entire pile of them that are used. This appears to be another Montessori V-neck. Same as this one. Someone's entire Montessori uniform. Okay. There's a lot packed in here, so I'm taking it out in sections. This looks like a handmade knitted toque. Children's Place little girl's t-shirt, but it's pretty stained. I can see that already. Children's Place little green sweatpants. Whatever this is, it's stained. These are some maybe polo shorts, pants, a lot of socks, some things that are very stained. Those will get put right into the trash. I never know if stained items should go in the trash or if I should donate them because the stains may come out. I just am running out of time. Beverly Hills Polo Club hoodie. More socks. A bunch of socks. This looks like a good piece. It's a Gap Kids size medium pea coat. Navy blue. First inspection looks great. Once Upon a Child item, maybe. Gap Kids size 5. Those are white pants. That is a bold move. White pants for a kid. But they look pretty good. Okay, let me dump the rest of the bag out. I have socks going everywhere. Let me just clear all the socks. That's a little hat of some sort. Children's Place, size 24. Little girl's Fair Isle sweater. I'm not sure of the brand, familiar with it, but it's a little black tulle skirt. That is a fake Mickey Mouse. Another toque. An unbranded pair of denim. I feel like this is actually vintage. So it's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles little button-up shirt. But it looks pretty old. I'll look at it later. This brand is Onion Kids. Same as those. This is a cow shirt that says, "It is a sunny day, smile." Not really much to say about that or that. Oh, those are like diapers, the reusable kind. This is a Roots Canada 2XL, but it is very stained, not a desirable style. I just don't feel like soaking that for as long as it probably would need. This says Mr. Men Astronaut. A lot of kids' clothes that are in, I wouldn't even call it like play condition. That's a little camel print Gap hat. This looks hand knit. It's a little yellow, pink, and blue sweater vest. Again, a lot of kids' clothes that are just not in great shape. A little red hand knit sweater vest. Some fleece things. Some more kids things. Socks. And a Calgary Flames toque. So, a lot of funny items. Not a lot of usable items.